Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're looking at Vyome Holdings, and it seems like someone forgot to double check their math, so they're back with a little oopsie correction. So what's going on here is that Vyome Holdings has filed an amendment to their previous report. This usually means they found a mistake and are fixing it. Think of it like finding a typo in a big important letter and sending out a corrected version. This particular amendment is all about fixing some numbers in their financial statements, specifically something called unaudited pro forma, condensed combined financial statements. Now, this might sound super technical, but what it basically means is they're showing you what their financials would look like if certain big events, like maybe a merger or acquisition, had already happened. It's like a hypothetical look at their money situation. The original report had some calculations that were just plain wrong, so they've corrected them and are presenting the right numbers now. They are trying to be transparent here, correcting a miscalculation. Vyome Holdings Inc. is the company in question. They are incorporated in Delaware and have a commission file number of 1307897. Their IRS employee identification number is 261000-618282101. Their stock is traded on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the symbol HIND. It's also worth noting that Vyome Holdings identifies itself as an emerging growth company. This means they're a younger company and get to follow some slightly different rules for reporting their financial information, especially when it comes to new accounting standards. They've decided not to use the extended transition period for these new standards, meaning they're keeping up with the latest accounting practices right away. The report is signed by Venkatnella Botla, who holds the titles of President and Chief Executive Officer. This is the person in charge, signing off on the company's official filings. The key piece of updated information being filed is Exhibit 99.1, which contains the corrected unaudited pro forma condensed combined financial statements. It's this specific document that had the errors fixed. Now, without the actual detailed financial tables from the original or corrected filing being displayed here, it's a bit tough to dive into specific numbers like revenue growth or profit margins in the way we usually do. However, the fact that they had to issue an amendment tells us something. It highlights the importance of accuracy in financial reporting. A miscalculation, even if corrected, can sometimes raise questions about internal controls and attention to detail within a company. For investors, it's a reminder to always look for amendments and restatements, as they can signal that the initial information you saw might not have been completely accurate. In this case, the story is mainly about a correction. There aren't any big new events or financial performance revelations here, just a fix to a previous report. The important takeaway is that Vyome Holdings is acknowledging an error and providing the corrected data. We don't have specific numbers to analyze for growth or decline, but we know they are operating as an emerging growth company, and their stock is listed on Nasdaq. From a pure corporate decoder perspective, this filing itself doesn't give us the deep financial dive we often look for. It's an administrative correction. However, the fact that a correction was needed, especially for pro forma financial statements, which are often used to show the potential impact of significant business events, means investors should be extra careful. Pro forma numbers can be complex and errors in them can be misleading. What does this mean for Vyome Holdings? It suggests potential weaknesses in their financial reporting processes. While the error was corrected, it happened, and that can impact investor confidence. It's not a red flag that screams disaster, but it's a yellow flag that suggests caution and a closer look at their filings in the future. We'd need to see their actual financial statements, the ones with the corrected numbers, to truly assess their business health, their burn rate, or how they are managing their cash. So in conclusion, Vyome Holdings is back to fix some math errors in their financial reporting. It's a reminder that even small mistakes in big numbers can matter. We look forward to seeing their actual financial performance in future filings to get a clearer picture of their direction, their strengths, and any potential risks they might be facing. Alright, that's our quick look at this Vyome Holdings filing. What's your take on companies issuing amendments like this? Does it shake your confidence, or is it just a normal part of business? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more dives into corporate filings, and join our Discord community for more discussion. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.